Influenza, or the flu, is a contagious viral infection that primarily attacks the respiratory system. The physical effects include fever, chills, body aches, fatigue, coughing, and sore throat. In severe cases, it can lead to complications like pneumonia, especially in the elderly or those with weakened immune systems. So, what can be done to help? Rest, hydration, and antiviral medications can help manage symptoms. The best prevention is getting the annual flu vaccine, which reduces the risk of serious illness. Good hygiene, like washing hands frequently and avoiding close contact with sick individuals, also helps prevent the spread. Like and subscribe for more health insights.